Okay, so continuing on our previous method creation, let us now build the project. So it's all succeeded, and let's load it in AutoCAD. Net load. This is the location. Load it. Now we should see the erase object function method. And here is our prompt or our alert dialog box. Done. It's just like that. So somehow it zoom extends and it prompt, and then it got erased very quickly. We didn't even see the lines gets created. Somehow this gets precedence rather than this zoom extends. So let me just comment out this code here, so at least we see our drawing. And maybe I can also comment out this alert dialog box. So let us save the project, but let me just close AutoCAD, otherwise it won't allow us to build it. So now rebuild the solution. Done. Let's open AutoCAD again. Okay, so let us load the our plugin. Then we can issue the erase object command. There you go. This is our polyline. So if we check the ID here, this is the Part2. So this is basically the second vertex, and this is the 2, 4. This is the first vertex, and this is the last vertex with 6, 4 coordinate. Okay, so this particular code works. It zoom extends, and this one works as well. It regenerates the drawing. You notice that? Let me just erase that first polyline and run again. Yep. Let's say let me just erase this polyline and I zoom somewhere here. Then we run the erase object again. Yep. So it regenerates the drawing. It creates our polyline. Now if I have to reactivate this back again, save it, just close the AutoCAD and rebuild. Done. Let me open AutoCAD again. Okay, now let's load our updated project. So if we use the erase object now, there is a message, then gone. So just like that, as quick as, yeah, we didn't even get a chance to look at the drawing. But that's how it works. We've seen the object created earlier, and we've seen this zoom extends work as well, and the regen. And not only that, we did not see how it gets erased, but it worked. Alright, so that's about it for the erase object, and I'll see you in the next video.